Hello everyone. You've probably heard about the buzz that Bitcoin is making recently. Maybe you have seen headlines about its prices skyrocketing to over $100,000 per Bitcoin. And along the way, you might have heard about the word blockchain. But what is blockchain? Is it the same as Bitcoin? And why are there many companies now joining the blockchain revolution? Welcome to Blockchain for Everyone. I'm your host, Karen Tan. In this series, we will break down what blockchain is, how it works, and why it matters to you. Even if you're not into tech or Bitcoin, by the end of the series, you will, first, clearly understand what blockchain is, its benefits, limitations, and risks. Second, we will show you how different industries are using blockchain to solve real-world problems. And lastly, maybe after watching all this and getting to know how blockchain works, you will be able to join the blockchain revolution to make an impact in your own industry. Now, but before we get into blockchain, let's start with the bigger picture, what we call Web3. Now, don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Let's rewind to the 1990s. That's when the internet began with what we now call Web 1. It was like a giant online library, static websites filled with text and images. And they were all about delivering information. We read, we consumed. There was no interaction, no likes, no comments. It was just reading. Then in the mid-2000s, Web 2 came along, and the internet provides users with the ability to post their own content and interact with each other. Social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram exploded. The internet wasn't just about consuming data anymore. It was about interacting, socializing. Do you remember the first time that you saw your own post on the internet? And how excited were you? That was pretty cool, huh? But then came the catch. Big tech companies realized they could control everything. Your data, your posts, how you searched, your likes, even your personal information. All of it became a product to fuel their profits. Then enter Web3 with an effort to fight back. Fighting back against these tech and financial giants who control the flow of information and resources. The focus of Web3 was on decentralization and users' ownership. Powered by blockchain technology, Web3 aims to give us back the control of our own data, our own assets, and even our own identity. It aims to have no middleman, no corporations taking profit from our own personal information. We own what belongs to us. So, let's recap. Web 1 was all about reading and consuming information online. Web 2 was about socializing and interacting with each other online. And Web 3 is really about ownership and decentralization of authority. Whether you are ready or not, blockchain and Web 3 are here to stay. And they are shaping the future just like AI is transforming our lives today. In the next episode, we will dive into some real-world examples of how blockchain is being used to make a difference. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And hey, share this with a friend. It's time we all understand what blockchain can really do. See you in the next episode.